Mama Akwaba, wafreme Adjoa searching Mesrel, now wa subscribe to my channel. Near notification bell also for more news.
We are found with you. So one more adjourned that one woman with Yansa. And woman who said debut. General Secretary or the flag bearer say, Young Kogu easy office. Ebra not here by moi, same thing we buy no. Not see young for evidence, Mra. When you initially, now me say NDC had a case. But after listening to EC for almost 10 or 9 months, and the upper NDC for Chelsea say, yes, Remo, Mona must say, Mahu A, B, C, D. Ain't more for evidence near day, Emra, na yentinasi, na yenye. Ose debut, yenfa yenye system na ye you vote na. More NDC for Modema Israel for control ya until MPP came to power. And the yan you cry your courts near Bibiano. Yes, I compare independent body. Now on share your register. The other day, I heard Sami Jemfi stupidly thinking say people are not smart enough to know what they are up to. Now and then I catch John Dramani Mahama and Russia no call and Waboka. Cause Mfa. Boss. Don Dramani Mahama Russia no call ye say woko launchi buku so koye den no mon kan tell the sankwasi a trip no emfa because there is not going to be no independent body aye be handle a voters register man ma womo ensu su bone ne womo kwasi asem a womo akọ Russia akoye no obi abe hack into your system nye. We are going to continue protecting this and protecting the voters register as we have it until NDC is able to provide something. Say, yes, indeed, there is an issue with the register. Now, me Ghana for Nankasano, boss, sometimes I blame them because I do. In the year 2020, the year exhibition be every year. Obi be jina okache so call you no din. Na sana wonu ankasa NDC chairman bisa mokaya no no ankasa na transfer din no e dia ko ba bia wetu akotena tenso ye di be she easy ebio they say he who alleges must prove. NDC forces they almost say there be yam won ya allege but kofa wo information ne brain na yankasa yankasa nkotwem and the voter register was given to everybody. The voter register, my political parties nina. Obian kochim. And a momo kochim, momo say A, B, C, D, and a mahum. It is a mahua. Just like say Obia ya no ya da no. Monko fail form or I am ranitera say fail. O Philibia. You provide the evidence. Say, you share page 6758 no. As Monsieur Bentain. Or this year, say na ye hu wom ho. Enu nti, moma ye mpe kwan ya yebetumi de clinic. President Mills there was no problem, we did it. President Kufuor yanko demonstration, we did it. President like you see, but when it comes to John Dramani Mahama, was psyching a chita for no to feel say BSS ye ne Ghana BSS ye de takashi na ye. 2020 monko court. Na ye nko court ye be shitai nkrofo wiwie ye. And son, Moses Munkura Sam, and the Munum Griasia, and the Continental Supreme Court say, Yantra Mutimi, so, or better calculator, Kuramunimu, you sway Jimmy. Yen Jamunamuko TV, so Mukra pin sheet, Mukra way, Mukra. You said all these things. Now you are in the court of law, under oath, you are in the court. Please give us that evidence that will shame Jane Mensah. Provide that evidence that will shame MPP. You are not able to provide that, and you say you didn't come with nothing to the. I'm like, come with no figures to the court. Only later on to come and tell us, as a matter of fact, now you need any results be now results wa omode bremeno sankame de court wa anke enim begu asemo. But you had caused mayhem for the country to be in jeopardy, all for the sake of I want to be able. Show said Miss Me Jimmy, that was system. Mr. Bright, check. NDC for my year when the PF say Bano NDC and MPP, there's a lot of big difference. I are now and go put you up together. I mean, me patro and I can say, and then a Dr. Baumi said a political party because 2020 1 year man said 22 years in a M1 said no Jinawa or condemn Kevin Taylor. Boss, I wish I could bring you the old videos of this same of our guy. But okay, let's stick to the subject.
I'm saying that yes, I'm picking the wisdom of what he said. And when I said, because if you look, he was unbiased in this presentation. Whatever he did, whatever he did previously, you know, I think so. So what he has done, until be our when we said, well, yeah, no, I'm what until now he's cautioning those who are into this kind of
yeah, I agree, sir. I totally agree, and I'm actually sorry, sir. That is the foot that they started on. But you're kind in okay.
Yeah.
But Senior Bright, with the person so since I will walk a penny cacreno, and you may be a me person me be so. Me pacho Ebra Rollins, baby, dear democratically, no.
Yeah.
Me patrona Ghana, no beer and a pedia Rollins here now.
Not at all.
But you pay my Rollins to now, so in the terms we are now.
It's any
politics. President Kufuor and also be I don't think that their President Kufuor in a Ghana for be a pay.
And that's all the demonstrations, of course, who cried the Nipa Unifi. Now demonstrations, of course, who tell you our work. Kwesi Pratim yes, 1-man demonstration. No, I could do one shot. No security men dinner. I could try one shot. We tell you our no done.
You into the American say, Abaya ba Abanko won't say that. Say ye koto aba ema ye ka so okay chinchinia ye nkoku nipa enko sei nipa until Mahama went to opposition. Senior 2016 election na emu odene se meka say emu odene first time one after a long time NPP was trying to come back to office. And NDC so normal reactor so some Mahama eden na toa so. After 3 days or 4 days one said that CSC and Coco. The patros what you say. Ye penny ye. The only time I John Dramani Mahama Bonnet Empany Trim echo position. And he started to seven Kolanket and Kitigu media so a journalist worker Munko say we now and then remember Makuma Bafom Kakran may deal with the issues. Come a person Ghana for maybe. Semekatro say NDC wo na ya be for party enyansafo ni mu as Senior Bright eya munja me na menka
na be no
eya no kre
do you have any proving say o ya be for the
there be okay fine o the mama ma di nti am say NDC for ye abeifo sebe Ghana yeti enyo bia na pe NDC enyo bia so na pe MPP ana mebia etoda MPP ba etoda na NDC so aba nti ade na John Mahama nko opposition no all of a sudden it is good to insult elders and we see there is something going on that we are not paying attention to. And koda yeti see social media say ye be didi atemu ni na no eni akasa e de etia say emwa ya be no ate say John Mahama ebe jina bontin I condemn any of the things here also in Ghana in terms of we to trust him.
Oh, minti be that.
Say Mahama beka sa to trust him one. He only reinforce say, yeah, to trust him the try ye fruma. Yeah, Jimmy Semnon kwasi asem we ya etio ne yebetwe sika ne yebetwi chow. That is what he does. We must remind them we come from revolutionary roots. That is all he talks about. The parliamentarians, so-called parliament, almost a revolution, even though almost say revolution. And he condones no stupidity. For the first time in the history of Ghana, John Dramani Mahama being a statesman, had his supporters, 2 cutlasses, weapons, say, what was the way a bearmano? It a demonstration at John Mahama office. Did you see John Mahama condemn them? No, he rather wrote a letter to encourage them that he is happy that they did that. But if this was an MPP person that did it will be a different case. And for me, and then the NTR must maybe settle on NDC. Now, I'm sure the NTR woman ya pay for no. Now, omunye nipa ya di omubu o mine is based on 4 cardinal points. The first point, members ne woman no ehu emobo. Now, dear mobile say they are sure with say education is nothing. enu nti no dia kakra bi fifi kwete no ne ho ahwan no mo matumi ayeden akọ school kakra no wo na de wo mbeka no wo mutie anye saa ankahwade o 2020 me for mo nkwa akire